Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to share your ROBOROCK Saros 10R with someone. To do it, go to the settings in the top right corner. Then go down until you find device sharing. Now tap share to other users and enter that person's phone number or email associated with their ROBOROCK account in the ROBOROCK app. Then they will receive a notification with the invitation. They can agree to it and then they can use Saros 10R in their app, so multiple people can do that. And that's basically it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.